Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Morning Volatility Report. As I am Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, welcoming you to a Wednesday vol report, or I guess lack of it. Mark's new VIX ebook. Go to our website and download it. Okay? Check it out. Okay? Also, giving you some primers on how VIX works. Okay? You could also, if you like that, you could go to our website, which is not very far away, and look at my courses. That's actually my courses. Go to the store. And we have several primers on VIX futures and options. Also vol products and primer, just all, and basically, and all of this stuff also flows together. If you sign up for gold, you actually have access to all of this content. Okay, plus our daily Option Pit Live, our chat room in the morning, and our trading newsletter, our strategy letter. So it's a great deal. Check it out. Also check out Mark's ebook. We are also going to be running our gold class live for the next 12 weeks, probably starting next week or the week after as well, as we kind of give it a little spice and update it for market conditions and things that have been going on lately. Speaking of going on lately, oh my word. If you had to say one thing, does anybody, if you're looking at the VIX right now, does anybody notice that we're missing anything? Everybody's saying, we're not missing anything. We have no weekend markup. Nothing. I don't know what the Fed has done. I like Mark's a couple. He coined the phrase "the Fed is vol," and they have killed it. So what we have is we have a sub 16 handle for the October future, which is hard to believe, but it's true. We have the September future now well below 14 with 2 weeks to go. Again, hard to believe. I have VIX expiration on the 21st. Okay, so that'll be after the standard expiration. But even with 2 weeks to go, there's a buck in there that is not, I would say, not too expensive. October at almost $4 over. Again, so there's tons of premium in the vol products. We will again look at vol product trades in our chat room today. And all I can say is nothing's going to happen for 2 weeks until the Fed says something again. There might be a little pop and vol on the interest rate silliness, but for the most part, I think we get our one raise whatever in December, and not much is happening. Yeah, Draghi could say something, but at this point, what's he going to do? He could declare exactly. He could declare what? He could declare his bond buying successful. Europe is back on the right path and it's all done, and maybe we'll see some action. But every time we've had VIX kind of bounce up 13, 14, near 15, what I like to call almost zone 2 for VIX, it pulls right back again because ultimately we have this interest rate thing is driving the ship. Nothing is too good, nothing is too bad. So stocks just don't have a real reason to sell off, and we're kind of stuck in this sort of low vol environment. Things that are moving. Just take a look, right? Facebook blowing up. Apple doing nothing, even with the iPhone. Banks, they were really starting to kick some fanny for a while. They pulled back just a little bit. Still, I think the trend for them is positive. Apple doing nothing. I don't know why the airlines will take a look at the airlines today. All of a sudden, again, start to look for stocks that the market has forgot this year. We're at all-time highs or close to all-time highs. Sectors that are lagging, somebody's going to start buying them. Obviously, Facebook doesn't have a problem, all-time high. Amazon as well, all-time highs. Google, it's kind of lagging relative. Okay, kind of lagging relative. Maybe that plays catch up. So, again, just follow the names where all the money goes. Volatility is very low. That doesn't mean it has been a win to buy anything close. You had to sit on a lot. But at least for right now, you have to look at what is moving. And we also have a little bit of movement in oil as well. So I don't see vol doing much. VIX right now is priced probably twice the realized vol, at least. Let me take a look at the SPY. You're just not getting a huge push. You're getting a little bit of the weekend effect popped into the regular options, but almost nothing in the back. So time spreads in the SPY. I even think put time spreads into some of these rallies. Upside calls are really cheap. Trades of that nature, but it's still any kind of negative fade is just hard to pay for. Just we're not getting that kind of movement. And so that is what I will look for in our room. Basically, trades that have some upside potential, but negative without any kind of overwhelming negative theta, because you're just not seeing a whole lot, and we're not getting enough to bust us higher. All right, except for a few names that the market tends to love. It looks like Facebook. Cisco is another one that's making a multi-year high lately. So dividend-paying stocks that the market hasn't liked a whole bunch this year are probably going to start looking really good again. And our old friend Alibaba also blew up above 100, so that's not too bad. Anyway, with that, I will see a lot of you in the chat room today. All right, guys. Bye-bye.